welcome to...
Sa mga newcomers po, kasi po tayo dito, ma'am, sir. Like pag-pig yung hinawakan niyo po kanina. So, ito po ay gawa sa rattan, kaya po ito ay matibay. Some of them just can carry like 30 to 50 kilos.
Batik.
Aside from that, Palawan trap is also used
Para
in
siyang
Florida. Also, back in the mountain, if they see the egg of kasulat po siya sa ating aklat. And now they going to play boget or bird song. So now, ma'am, sir, let's watch them look at the drawing. Pero yung kanina po, ay wala po yung poison, so no problem. A native cotton and a piece of metal. So this process po, tinatawag nyo ng pakoy, tinatawag po nilang santikan of this one. Tumatagal po ito na 3 to 4 minutes.
Asan sila? Asan sila? Ba't... Alam mo. Hindi ako makaano. Wait lang. Oh, game. Start ulit.
America, 2 beses na po tayo na-declare World's Best Island dahil marami po tayo pinupuntahan sa Palawan, meron tayo nakapunta na ako dyan. So, ang Palawan po, ang Palawan ay binubuo ng 23
That is also the same species of Palawan Peacock Pheasant on our new 100 peso bill, this one. So yung lalaki ang likod, sir, group niyo po, isang family lang.
Hindi, huwag kang hiwa-hiwala, pero walo yan kami.
Bakit ba yan? Bakit ang sabi kayo dyan? Yun na yun lang. Tulog siya.
Tulog siya.
During the 11 was so babies when our mother was shot and killed by
Mami, tulog siya.
Kaya tulog oh, tulog oh.
Ang cute.
Yun oh, parang siyang dog, parang siyang aso.
Hindi mo ka lang.
Takot ako dyan.
Yun naman, parang siyang bear cat eh.
By the way, the tribal village po, that will be the second part of your tour, pero later po tayo dyan, ha?
Mami, yung makahiya.
Si Black siya.
Black Jack Bidens Pilosa. Yan.
Parang food of them, it's banana po with sugar solution. And this is the eggs. This is the eggs of the butterfly, ma'am.
Where are their eggs?
Yeah, those are the eggs of the butterfly, ma'am. The small dot, the green small dot, those are the eggs. And those are the first stages of the butterflies. And after the eggs, they will turn into a caterpillar. And after caterpillar, it's cocoon. Later, you will see the cocoon.